Hi, I am Francesco Lerro and welcome to my course Serverless Programming Solutions. I am a certified AWS solution architect and I have more than 10 years of experience designing fault-tolerant and scalable web applications. I am passionate about cloud computing and serverless in particular. Let's talk a little bit about what this course will cover. First, I introduce you to serverless concepts and lambdas. Let's talk a little bit about what this course will cover. First, I'll introduce you to serverless concepts and lambdas in the first section. Then, we will see lambda invocation models and interactions with other components in the second section. And in the third section, we will challenge difficulties related to building a serverless e-commerce solution. In section 4, we will talk about DevOps practices, and in section 5, we will explore security, performance, and monitoring of serverless applications. Do you know that you're wasting a lot of computing power and paying for your servers even if they are not used? This is why serverless computing became so popular these days among architects. You pay only for what you use. You can bring your favorite language, and your application will be highly modular, event-driven, and scalable by design. And did I mention that it's possible to develop and debug locally? You can, and I'll show you how in this course. So, what you need for this course? You need to be proficient with JavaScript programming, and you'll need an AWS account. Don't worry if you don't have one. Any new account will receive 1 year of free trial. You also need an editor like Visual Studio Code and some tools installed like Node.js for testing. Then you'll need some tools like Node.js to test proposed solutions, Python and Java runtimes for installing additional command line tools.